Meteorologist Jeremy Lawan joins us in the backyard with an evening that we hope to see a few more times this week. Jeremy.
Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully we can get a few more of these. I mean, Jack, we've had so many wet weekends. This felt like a treat, didn't it?
Sure did.
I mean, we could take more of these for sure. It was almost like a gem. We've had so many days of dreary and wet weather and cool weather that I even was lamenting the fact that I couldn't double this day and do something else. I mean, I did spend today doing something worthwhile, but it really wanted to go to the theme park, wanted to go on a hike. I wanted to do it all today because we had such good weather. I think we got some good weather on tap. Friday, of course, 4th of July, and Saturday coming up look good. So we still got some more time to be able to enjoy this good weather. And you know, speaking of good weather, we've got great photos coming in. Today is National Camera Day, and some of our viewers are really showcasing their talents, like Sam from Scranton. She took this gorgeous photo. Jack, what do you think of this one? Isn't this a good one?
I think the title fits very well, Jeremy.
I think you're right, too. A true night of Skywatch. Now, everybody knows that Skywatch 16 is back, and this week's Skywatch was focusing on the crescent moon and the Mars conjunction, and Sam captured it perfectly. Keep sending in pictures, Sam. We love them here at WNEP. Thank you for sending that one. And this one's from James in Pittston. He calls this one Moon and Mars, 2 jewels. And you can clearly see the crescent moon and Mars less than 1/5 of a degree apart. That is less than the width of your pinky finger when outstretched and looking up the sky. Great capture there, James. Thank you for sending this one in from the tomato capital of Pittston. And there's the conjunction now. It's a little hard to discern, but if I can step into the green screen, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. There is the crescent moon, and right to the right of it is the planet Mars. Right here. If you look very closely, you can see it kind of twinkling right next to the crescent moon. It has been moving, so before it was a little bit closer to the concave part of the moon. Now it's on the convex side. But that's similar to many flags. Malaysia's flag, Singapore's flag, Pakistan's flag all have a symbol of a crescent moon and a nearby bright star or planet. So it's pretty cool that we can see that to this day here in our skies. There's Williamsport. Beautiful evening there in Lycoming County. Current temperature right now, 69 degrees. We have winds coming into the east-southeast at 7. Temperatures over the last 20 hours, they bumped up into the mid and upper 80s. Look at that wonderful warm-up throughout the afternoon. We actually topped out at 5 o'clock, which is normally when we top out this time of year. A lot of misconceptions on when the warmest part of day is. Well, this time of year, it's between 4 and 5 o'clock. And you can see that perfectly there on our bar graph. Got up to near 90. In Williamsport and Selinsgrove, 84 for Avoca, 83 in Mount Pocono. Temperature still quite mild for this time of night. 75 in Lewisburg, 70 in Williamsport. Upper 60s for Scranton. We're in the low 60s for the Poconos. And out to Shahola, we're at 64. Got some more clouds filling in, so enjoy those last few looks at the crescent moon while you can, because these clouds will overspread the area and then some dense fog will start to develop as we head towards sunrise. That humidity is going up and the winds are very calm, so that's perfect ingredients for the development of fog as we head towards morning time. Then we've got more unsettled weather down towards our south. This front will sweep towards us and bring us the risk for some severe weather possible tomorrow afternoon and again on Tuesday. But tonight it'll be calm. 64 will be the low. Fog by morning time. Sunrise is at 5:33. We only have one more 8:40 p.m. sunset. Then we start going back the other way, so enjoy it. That's tomorrow. Here's your picture for tonight. More cloud cover. Then the fog starts to roll in and persist through a large part of your morning. Then we get breaks of sunshine, helps to destabilize the atmosphere, and some pops of color on our screen by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 7. Possibly a line of showers and storms, lightning, thunder, downpours. Make sure you're prepared for this. This could impact your evening on Monday. Continues through the overnight into Tuesday morning. Then we get a brief reprieve throughout late morning on Tuesday. Look what happens Tuesday afternoon. Another eruption of activity, a wave of showers and storms. Again, same timing, around 5, 6, 7 o'clock, a line of showers and thunderstorms bubbling up and causing some downpours. So we're talking about the ballpark of about a ½ inch to an inch of rainfall. And we do have that risk of severe weather 1 out of 5 both days, Monday and Tuesday afternoon, with high winds and flooding possible. So here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the 80s all the way through the next 7. We got the risk for unsettled weather tomorrow afternoon and on Tuesday afternoon. Beautiful by Wednesday. Just a spot isolated shower or storm on Thursday. And Jack, 4th of July looks fantastic, and so does Saturday, so we can get a few more outdoor activities in once we get towards next weekend.
Jeremy, I'll definitely take a few raindrops early on in the week if that means we have a nice sunny weekend ahead.
Well spoken.
Jeremy, thank you very much.